Hi students, today in this video we learn about microbial interactions. Microbial interactions, when we talk about this topic, if you take a microbe in a community, the microbes will interact with each other in various kinds of mechanisms. Broadly, microbial interactions are divided into two types, interspecific and intraspecific. Today we are going to learn about a concept called mutualism, which is a positive interaction which comes under intraspecific interaction. So mutualism is a positive interaction which comes under intraspecific interactions. Mutualism. Mutualism is nothing but it is a mutual beneficial relationship between the organism of two different species. That is, this relationship is mutual and it is beneficial, which means the two partners are equally benefited. They are not harmed. So, this mutualism can be called as a positive interaction. So mutualism is a symbiotic relationship. What is a symbiosis or what is a symbiotic relationship? It is nothing but a relationship in which two different species interact closely for a very long time. So symbiosis means the different species interact closely for a long time. So symbiosis means a close association for a very long time. And there are two types of symbiotic relationships. First one is parasitism and commensalism. And the organisms which live in mutualistic relationships will have various reasons for their mutualistic relationship, which includes need for shelter, protection, nutrition, as well as for reproductive purposes. So this is a short introduction about mutualism. You learn what is the definition for mutualism. So mutualism is an example, is a perfect example for positive interaction, and it is a process of symbiosis. And again, we'll see the examples of mutualism. The perfect example for mutualism is lichens. Lichens is nothing but a symbiotic union or a symbiotic relationship which exists between fungi and algae, or between fungi and cyanobacteria, which is again an algae. So fungus, which receives nutrients obtained from photosynthetic algae or the bacteria. That is, this fungi receives the fungi which is in the symbiotic relationship, that is, which is in the association of lichens, will derive its nutrients from the symbiotic partner or the mutualistic partner, that is the algae, while the algae again receives food, protection and the stability from the fungus. So lichens are very complex organisms which result in a symbiotic union between algae and fungi. Again, fungus is the major, this is the example or this is the image regarding lichens. You can see that the lichens are growing on the bark of a tree, or it can even grow on a, this is a picture showing lichens was growing on a granite post, like that you can see. And again, we are looking at in the previous slide, the lichens are found in extreme environments like deserts, rocks, trees, and exposed soils. So fungus provides a safe, protective environment within the lichenous tissue for algae to grow. The algae or cyanobacteria partner is capable of photosynthesis and provides nutrients to the fungus. So, in this lichens, as an example for mutualism, both the partner, that is the fungi and the algae, are mutually benefited, and definitely this is a long-term symbiotic relationship and it is a productive symbiosis. Thank you.